Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this chocolate powder or Milo powder recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So in my list I have my milk, my sugar, cocoa powder, salt. The ingredient is so simple. So next let's go ahead to blend our sugar till it is smooth. At this point you can also use icing sugar if that's what you prefer. Okay, so we'll transfer it into our blender and I'm gonna blend this till it is smooth. Okay, thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you're coming across my video for the first time, hello, you are welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please stay connected, subscribe if you have not and you love us here. Okay, I'll transfer the blended sugar into my bowl, a dry bowl, and next I'll add in my cocoa powder. And I have a video on how to make cocoa powder from the very comfort of your home. Please check that out in the channel. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my milk, and you can also add milk flavor to this now. Next, I'll add in my salt, and if you have malt extract you can also add this together, and you're gonna mix everything together. The list of the ingredients is there, and I was just trying to add something. After mixing it for a while, I saw that it was still white, so I went ahead to add in more cocoa powder and I blended everything together. So you have to blend it till it gives you this result, and the taste is amazing. Trust me on this, the taste came out so well. Okay, so this is the time of truth. Let's make the powder and see the result. The result was amazing and I would love you to try it. The ingredient is perfect, you can follow it. I'm just trying some homemade products and I'm happy with the result I'm getting. I just thought to share it with you. Please try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for always coming back. I truly appreciate. Okay, so next I'll be adding in hot water to make it, and see this thing, see the result. It came out so well. I love you to try it and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.